Okay, all of those of you problem solvers out there on YouTube, what I have here is a pair of KRK RP5 speakers, the first generation ones. The one you see in the back there, behind the Subway cup, works just fine. The one in front of me has a little bit of a problem, and I'll show you here as I turn it on. Nothing, as you'll see, is connected in the back except the power. So just so you know, it's not a connection problem, and it's going to get loud. Everything you heard there was coming from the tweeter here, and it was very loud. It's like almost unbearably loud. Doesn't seem to be a ground loop. I've even tried plugging in something that would take out the ground just to see if that was it. Not the problem, apparently. So if anybody has any smart ideas or knows, hey, it's this particular component and you replace it, I would be much obliged to you. You can respond to this video with your comment or even another video. Alright, thanks.